Have a blessed day, everyone! Welcome to Ridgewood School of Caloocan Senior High School Homeschool Program. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is a prestigious academic arm of the country that provides academic excellence leading to global standards. Its mission is to promote integral formation of the youth, thus molding them into an enlightened and knowledgeable individuals in all aspects of life with global sensitivity. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is located at Block 31, Lots 27 to 29, Acacia Street, Rainbow 5, Phase 2, Bagumbong, Caloocan City, 1421. Here are some of the facilities of the school. First, we have the multi-purpose hall where activities and other events like graduation are being held. This is our integrated science lab for our grades 7 and 8. This is our chemistry and physics lab for grades 9 and 10. This is our computer laboratory for our computer activities. This is our speech lab. And this is our mathematics lab. And now our administrator, Dr. Joseph A. Swalog, has the doctorate in humanities that he finished in 2021 from the United College of Brazil. He has other doctorate degrees via honoris causa from different universities. And this is the principal, yours truly, Dr. Maria Cecilia Carnaje Swalog, doctorate in Business Administration from Metropolitan University of Monterrey, Mexico, and PhD in Educational Management from De La Salle Araneta University, and also a postgraduate diploma in management from Kingston College, Singapore, and many others. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is a SEC registered. Its registration was approved in May 1, 1990. Ridgewood School of Caloocan Senior High School Homeschool Program will first initiate this school year 2026-2027, and it will implement the newly approved and piloted curriculum of the Department of Education, the Senior High School Strengthened Curriculum. Under this curriculum, there are core subjects for grade 11. And according to the permitted courses that we can operate starting 2016, we have the business and entrepreneurship, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, arts, social sciences, and humanities. And under the technical professional, we have aesthetic, wellness, and human care. Also, the ICT or Information and Communication Technology support and computer programming technologies. And lastly, under our technical professional, we have the hospitality and tourism. In summary, we are offering under the academic the electives for business and entrepreneurship. Number 2, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Number 3, arts, social sciences, and humanities. And under our technical professional, we have aesthetic, wellness, and human care. Number 2, hospitality and tourism. Number 3, support and computer programming technologies. And here are our academic partners. Starting school year 2026-2027. So we have the ALS or Accelerated Learning System. We have our Grace Mission College who will provide our graduates with a tertiary education online for free. We also have the Adonai High School in Rwanda, Africa. And our church-based program have the following organization partners. We have the CCT or Centers for Community Transformation, under which we have the VOH or Vision of Hope and the CMAP, a pastoral organization. Also, we have the Shechem Cares International Ministries, the Spin Media, and the Values Education and Transformation Organization, also the Messiah in Nueva Ecija, Amazing Grace in Bicol, and also Bicol Children's Ministries Network. Our homeschool learners are as follows. 1. They are learners who are physically and psychologically challenged. 2. They are the working populace. Number 3, they are travelers. 4, they are remote residents. 5, and others. These students need to be schooled at home, guided by the parents or a tutor. Church school has 2 divisions. They are the academics and the values education. For academics, we use the modular, virtual, or the face-to-face modalities. But for values education, it is purely face-to-face. And this kind of schooling is given to students for free. So, our modalities again, since we are hybrid, we have the virtual, modular, and face-to-face. Our requirements to qualify in this program. Number 1, the student should have a QVA certificate for those who are not automatic scholars. That we will discuss in a while. Who are automatic scholars and who are not. So this one, you should ask the Ridgewood School of Caloocan in April of 2026 how we can apply for QVA certificate. Number 2, registration form. Number 3, 2 pieces of 2 by 2 ID pictures. Number 4, ALS AF5 or grade 10 report card. Number 5, PSA birth certificate. Photocopy may be accepted. Number 6, the data privacy notice. So this form can be secured from Ridgewood School of Caloocan. So we have now the qualifications of our scholars. So A, we have what we call the automatic scholar. So these are number 1, fresh public school grade 10 completers of the current year. So the current year is 2026. So those who are graduating or completers of grade 10 from public school this 2026 are automatically scholars. They don't need to apply for QVA certificate. Number 2, they are grade 10 completers of PAYAC schools. PAYAC meaning Private Education Assistance Committee. And who are the scholars? Only if they have the QBR. So they need to apply for QBR and they will be guided accordingly by our IT. So number 1, we have the public school grade 10 completers from 2018 to the previous year. So since we are now in 2026, our previous year is 2025. So those students from the public school grade 10 completers from 2018 to 2025 are required to secure a QVR certificate from the Department of Education through an application this coming April of 2026. Number 2, all ALS grade 10 completers are required to secure a QVR certificate also. And application, again, just the same, it's April 2026. Just the same with the face-to-face students, our online or our homeschool students have recognition day. So this is a recognition day in 2024 in the school site in Caloocan. So students coming from Muntinlupa, Pangasinan, Valenzuela, Batangas, Antipolo, and some part of Rizal province came over to attend the recognition. And we have our graduation day in 2024 where more than 500 distance learning students graduated. This was organized by the Rizal Province ALS supervisor and teachers. This is our online recognition day in 2025. And we have our face-to-face graduation in 3 venues for 2025. One is this one in Muntinlupa. And this one happened in Antipolo, Rizal. Okay. So here are our pride for 2025. These are the excelling students who passed the entrance exam from prestigious universities like the University of the Philippines and Mapua University. We have the PUP, the University of Rizal System, and UST, and many others. So thank you for listening to me. I hope you are clarified, and if you have some question, please ask your administrators. Thank you, and may God bless each one of us for this noble advocacy.